So I think they own this whole road, or not the whole road, but the whole building, because I just went into the shipping office, because like some of these places, you know, say shipping, but they do both out of it. So I just went in there and she's like, oh no, receiving's on the other side of the building, so I gotta go down this way, she said. So we're gonna go down to the other end, and there's docks over here, so I'm guessing we should be fine. It's a pretty big building to own, honestly, but we got here at 9:15, or no, this clock on my thing's wrong. We got here at 9:10, so not bad. 10 minutes late, but I only got 4 hours of sleep, so it's kind of brutal. I think this is where we turn in down here. Might as well just go ahead and like set it up for, well, we'll just go ahead and park it in one of these docks for now, and then we can move it later on. There's a lot of room here. I thought it was gonna be way tighter than this. Damn, bro, I suck at this. It doesn't even have to be perfect, because I still have to pull up to open my doors, but just get it kind of lined up. Oh boy. Actually, there might be enough room between these trailers to just open the door while you're in the dock, but that's probably far enough back for now. Oh no, I'm gonna have to slide it over. So no problems with checking in. I'm gonna slide it over to this line. Maybe, holy cow, come on. Just go straight back there. Sort of. I can't see on this passenger side. I think it's probably good enough. So we got unloaded. We are going to west. We're going, I think it's Mitchell, South Dakota, and then it's going to Champaign, Illinois, which is good. That's a good load. That's easily like 700 miles. So we're gonna get over there. We only have 7 hours of drive time today though, so like we'll probably be shutting down around 6. And I know I'm definitely like, whenever I go to park, I'm like passing out, dude, because I'm running out. Like yesterday, I hung out with my buddy Derek and Matt, or that was Saturday. We didn't get back. Man, I really hate backing into these things because it's so hard to see. Which, I mean, it's not the end of the world. I know it's gonna beep. I don't have my seatbelt on, but it's because I'm just crawling through this lot. If I was about to get on the road, I'd have my seatbelt on, but yeah. So we got here. I think we're just gonna relay this at the terminal because it's going to Chicago. But I don't wanna close. But I think that's the game plan, is just... Oh, dude, I nailed that. Oh my God. I wasn't even paying attention. I was just like, I'll just cut it up and have all this room. I got to move it over just a little bit, but see, I need to cut it in because I'm guessing my tires need to be pretty close to this inside lane here. Which the good thing is there's some shade before I enter the garage, so I'll be able to, because once you get the shade then you can see in, but like right now I can't really see in. I just have that line to go off of for now, and like kind of guessing. Stupid flies, get the hell off me. We're almost to the shade, and then I can just see. You guys will see it change dramatically. See, I can't see a freaking thing, dude. There you go. I think I need to shift it over. Yeah. I'm gonna have to like pretty much be on that line. Oh my gosh, dude, I hate these so much. I didn't even really shift it over, did I? It's so hard to see. I guess let's just get as close as we can without taking off our mirror. Yeah, they need to put like lights in these caves, dude. Or not caves, but these garages. Still a little off there, but that definitely is a little bit better. Yeah, I can see that other yellow line on this side, so. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, so we got loaded. We already did one way. We had to move it back a little bit, but it should be good now. And then we'll stop at that Love's I stopped at to get lunch, which I only had Funyuns and a Pepsi, but just stop there again and top off on fuel because we're getting down to a quarter. It's only like 80 miles from here, so we'll be fine. Should be good here too, so it's only like 72,000 total, I think. Come on, any day now. Oh my gosh, it doesn't take that long. Yep, 33,360, so we are good. So we're gonna get rolling. We got 636 miles. We should be in Chicago tomorrow before noon, I believe, and this is scheduled for today's Monday, tomorrow's Tuesday, and it's scheduled 8:30 Wednesday morning, but Cornell said we're just gonna probably have a local driver deliver it Wednesday, so that way I can get going, because I'll have like 6 hours of drive time. Might as well push it. Alright, we're gonna start something new here. We're gonna do guess this song, so comment if you know this song. I'm gonna sing it. You guys ready? Here we go. Said I ain't the cops, I ain't your parents' boys, you're dealing with the county sheriff. Yeah, so let me know. I think I butchered some of the lyrics, but let me know if you know that song in the comments. It's I'm not even gonna say the artist because he's pretty popular, but let me know. So we got another 11 miles till we get fuel, and then we're gonna try to drive like another 4 hours today and then shut down, because I don't really want to wake up at 2 a.m. Like I know like I could probably go to sleep right now and like pass out, but it's no fun like going to sleep at like 3 o'clock, because like nobody like you know, nobody goes to bed that early. So like when you wake up, or like, I don't even know, you don't have anyone to talk to for like a couple hours. So, but yeah, the plan's to be at Joliet tomorrow at noon, by noon. It could be earlier. We could realistically be there, I think, by like 10 a.m. But I might sleep in a little extra just because I don't want to wake up like 2 a.m. or whatever. Because it does me no good to wake up at 2 a.m. because by the time I get there, like, I'm still going to be going through Chicago. It'd be different if it was like Joliet was on the other side of Chicago. It'd make sense, but I wouldn't really hit any traffic headed to the Joliet yard. So, alright guys, so we're taking our exit here. This is for that Petro right there. I'll give us 399 miles to cover tomorrow morning. And we'll say I'll probably take 6 hours and 20 minutes. So I'll wake up at 5 a.m. and go over to the HQ. We'll have to go pretty much all the way through Iowa. And then, yeah, so this needs to be a stoplight, bro. Ugh. Alright, so we got through the intersection, kind of a breakthrough. So we're gonna get over to this Petro. I got like 3 freaking flies in my truck right now. I'm trying to get them out of here. You guys happy with that? I just had loves, so that's why that's there. But I freaking, it's not like clean, but I like picked up all that crap so you guys would stop commenting every fucking video. Holy shit, dude, you guys are pissing me off. Fuck. What happened to that loves, bro? There's actually parking at the Loves. That's kind of surprising. Normally that place is already full. But I don't need a shower, so I'm gonna park at TA because I also have a $50 Taco Bell gift card, but I can't ever use it. Iowa 80, they don't take online orders, but when I was at the shipper earlier, I checked this place and it said they did. So I'm gonna try to order it through the app so I can use that 50 bucks. I don't know if you guys can see these stupid flies down here, but I'm like, God. So annoying, dude. So like the earliest I could roll out tomorrow is 4 a.m. but I'm not getting up that early. But 5 a.m. I'll get up, 5:30, somewhere in there. Get out of my truck, stupid fly. Oh, I got him out. Let's go. All right, I think there's like one more because I killed one earlier when I was driving. I like Mr. Miyagi that shit, swiped him out of the air. And then I like went like that and killed him, smushed him in my bare hand. He's like on the floor somewhere. I don't think this Petro has any reserved spots. I think it's all, oh no they do. I spoke too soon. I don't know what this guy's doing. Is he backing in? I thought he might be taking that spot, but that's not a spot, so he's just taking a pull through. Are these reserved here? Because I think I'm gonna take one of these. I hope these aren't reserved. I don't want to pay for freaking parking. Probably should have. Yep, I knew it. Alright guys, well make sure you hit that like button, subscribe for future content. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!
Come on, everything is A-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.